Hey guys, Be Chic Studio here with the Vaughn fam and the Y Life. Other YouTubers that wanted to do a painting party, we got together and here we are. Meet Mike and Kendria from the Vaughn fam. We have one part of the Y Life. This is Shauna, everybody. So this is lovely little Mila. She is part of the Vaughn fam. It was super exciting to get together with these YouTubers and kind of hang out and show them what Chiqued Treasures does. We really loved what they did. They did an awesome job. So all of these products can be purchased at www.bechiquedtreasures.com. We thank you so much for being here with us today. Please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that we can continue to show out you guys our videos. And once again, we are so thankful that you're here. And I couldn't help put Miss Mila in here one more time. She's so adorable.